Stop scrolling and let us show you the most common trading mistakes that could be costing you big time. Now is the moment to learn how to avoid them. First off, let's start with a very important issue. Stop trusting non-regulated companies. If you can't verify who's behind the platform, you're risking your hard-earned money. Always choose regulated trading companies to protect yourself from fraud and shady practices. Next up, stop looking for the cheapest offer. It's very common that nothing is as good as it sounds. Don't get tricked by the seemingly affordable conditions some companies offer. Sure, low deposit amounts may sound good, but poor execution and unreliable platforms could cost you far more in the long run. And finally, stop trying on your own. We will show you the proper way because trading can be tricky sometimes. Join our community and learn from our experience. This way you can grow faster without the unnecessary mistakes. Remember, smart traders avoid these pitfalls. Make informed decisions, choose trusted platforms, and never go at it alone. Hit that like button and join us today.